You know, Senator, your passion for the Democratic Party and for the issues that you just articulated, they're well known. And your attendance at conventions past is well known. One of the things that mystifies me, and I can't come up with an answer for it, Joe has tried to provide an answer, is that we're now into the third day of this convention, and everything has been revolving around the Clintons. President Clinton's been out of office since, the year 2000. Senator Clinton's candidacy, she finished second. What is it about the Clinton campaign, now in abeyance, that they don't get? They lost.
Well, you know, Mike, I take issue with what you said. I mean, will anybody ever forget Ted Kennedy coming on the way he did? And, you know, the story, I didn't realize the story about how it was he even was able to come onto the podium. And then Michelle Obama's extraordinary speech, and as beautiful as she looked. I mean, that whole night belonged to the party and really to the sort of a connection with the politics of the Democratic Party these past 30 years.
Here's the problem, though. I understand that you really liked the speech, but we had a Hillary Clinton supporter here. Woman came in, her name's Judy. She still doesn't know who she's going to vote for. She was not convinced by this speech. Something didn't connect with some people.
Well, she wasn't listening to Hillary Clinton then last night, because Hillary said it best. She said, "It's not about me." That
was a great moment. I agree.
If you're a woman who cares deeply about the issues that we care about, then you're going to support Barack Obama. She said that powerfully.